Okay, I know it's real windy out here and we don't have our microphones on, but I want to go say hi to the neighbor cows. I told Art.
Shayla's never been this close to cows.
You don't have a microphone on it. Probably didn't pick up what you just said.
Probably not.
You can say it again.
Shayla has never been this close to cattle. So she's kind of amazed.
I want to go touch one. It's running away from me. It says, "Get that crazy lady away." She's trying to come touch me. Here, cow. Come here, cow. Come here. Oh no, she really is running. I just want to say hi. Huh? Okay. I just want to say hi. Can I say hi? Hi, guys. We're your new neighbors. They don't care. They're over it. They're like, okay, we checked you out. That's good enough. I just wanted to say hi. You're very pretty. Hi, guys. Hi. Okay, so this is the back corner of our property. So this is the southwest, right, corner of our property here. So you can see a road over here. We've got one little neighbor over here, but I mean, like, they're over behind the trees and stuff, so like we can't even see them very closely. And I can feel the wind, so it's probably very windy on the video, I'm sure, since I don't have my microphone on. This is our fence line right here. And then check this out. Look how far back from the house we are. Isn't that cool? So this is our property line all the way over to way over there. Art has been out here cleaning up. He did such a good job. Look how pretty. Well, no, but sure looks prettier than it did. Did a great job. It looked worse than that. It was really overgrown.
And the weeds are gone off the fence here.
Yes, I could. Yeah, yeah. Mom and Dad are going to be surprised even just at what you've done so far.
When they get out here, this will all be gone.
Yeah. I like that there's a corral though, and that's where the concrete pad is too, right?
No, actually, it's right there.
Oh, all that stuff is piled up? Okay.
Yes, that was
Oh, yeah. Okay, isn't it cool that all this stuff is already here? Yeah, it'd be expensive, yeah. Oh, I see. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. Could that be a base to the bunker or something? I don't know.